Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today, we got the Zodiac MX8 with us, and we're gonna change out the side A gearbox. Hey guys, we're back. So, I got a Zodiac MX8 Elite here today. So what we're gonna do is change out the side A gearbox, which I believe is this side over here. So, when the cleaner is facing you, to determine which side is the side A, first things you can do ever is if it's facing you, it's the one on your right. Or you pop open this lid. It's gonna be hard for you guys to see this on camera, but inside here it says A. And on the other side it says B. So that's how you can tell if you need to order a side A or a side B when your gearbox is no longer working. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change it out today. And I'm gonna show you guys how. The quickest and most efficient way to change out your side A gearbox. So first things first is what you want to do is take off your track. So what you want to do is just pull it off. Tracks are easy to change out, they just pull off. Then what you want to do next, open up this lid. And as you're going to see here, you see a lot of parts on the inside. Your first instinct is, let's take it all apart and let's figure it out from there. No, no, no. So what you're going to do again, turn it back over. There's one screw on the side here, just one. Let's go ahead and unscrew that. Watch this magic. You pull this tab on the bottom here, and the whole side comes off. So now what you want to do, another longer screw that comes in here. Let's loosen it up. And now, our side A now detaches from the side A body panel. So that's it. That's your side A gearbox. So what you're going to want to do is, as you see, side note, side note, it's black. It's no longer gray. If you have a gray gearbox, change it out with a black one. Make sure you get a black one because these black ones are re-engineered. They last longer, they're more durable. You'll be so much happier when you have these black gearboxes installed. They're made by Zodiac, so make sure you buy an OEM Zodiac side A, side B gearbox because these things are legit. They're working phenomenally and they last very long. So let's put it back together. Side A, not universal with the side B. So if you buy a side B, it can only go on the side B because pretty much this whole assembly right here is on the other side, so it will not clip in the way it's supposed to be. So you have your empty hole, you have this, you have your screw hole down here, you have your screw hole here. So what you're gonna do, there's only one way it can go back in. So as you can see here, it just kind of pushes in like this. Screw goes in here. Exact opposite of the way we took it out. So now we're gonna tighten it. And as you can see here, we have our screw on the outside of here. It kind of just lines up nice and pretty. Make sure it clips in, okay? So now I'm gonna lift up my cleaner, tighten over here. Take my track, lift it all the way up here for you. I like to go on one wheel first, then the top piece, and then stretch it on the other wheel. Close my lid, turn it upside down. Turning it upside down is the only way you can test it. Turn. See how I got both sides turning? I have a working gearbox. You guys, thanks for watching. I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.